Hi everyone, welcome to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I'm back with another Junk Journal with Me video. Today, I'm gonna journal with my Daphne Diary diecast stash and my personal ephemera on the last page of this journal. So the last page is actually this full-size card. It was a Glen check pattern in orange ombre. So I thought colors like dark teal or indigo blue would be great on this. So that's what I'm pulling out from the stash. So I'm figuring out the layout. First, I place two photos diagonally at the corners. This is a tag came with a gift that I got, so I wanted to keep it in my journal, of course. And the color was a perfect match to this page. And this little label was one of the gifts as well. It was acrylic display case from Muji. I love Muji's acrylic storage boxes. They are clear, they don't get scratched. I just love them so much. And this is a business card where I bought coffee beans when I was traveling Portugal. The travel was a year ago, but I still had it in my stash and recently I'm missing Porto a lot. So that was that. And now I'm adding some washi tapes in the background just to add a little bit of interest to the page. I pulled out a white gel pen because I wanted to draw a simple frame on the business card like other photos, but the surface was very glossy, so I was trying not to touch it until it dries. So I started to glue the things. I'm adding double-sided tape right next to the folding line of this card. I cut out this label from its plastic package, that's why I'm using double-sided tape for it. The top left corner looked a little bit empty for me, so I stamped the date on this paper strip and added there. And I'm finishing the page adding this fresh die cut on the photo. Now I'm journaling. When I folded the card, I found the camera was not glued well because it was on the folding line, so I added a double-sided tape to secure it. So this is how today's journaling has done. Orange is not my usual color, so that was the fun part, dealing with orange. And I love the beautiful house photos on this page. Also, I was happy to journal with my personal ephemera. It is always my favorite part. I hope you enjoyed this journaling process. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.